on final, runway 22 right. That's
Okay.
it. Say.
Kennedy Tower, United 1030 on final, runway 22 right.
Good. United Airlines 1030. This is Kennedy Tower, clear to land, runway 22 right. Wind is calm. Repeat and say, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 22 right, wind is calm.
Good.
United.
Gate down. We got a job to do here. Verify 3 greens.
Where are we going?
Yeah, well, that's the pause. I'm gonna fix that when I get there. Are you ready for your landing checklist?
Yep.
Let's do it then. Oh, that's why. That's why, man. You see? 2, 2, 2.
Landing checklist. Start switches.
Continuous.
Speed brake.
On.
Gear.
Down. 3 greens.
Flaps.
30, 30, and green.
Okay.
Landing check is complete, right?
Yep.
Okay. To the runway coming up.
Yep.
It's the right one, okay?
Yep.
If you leave it, it's gonna line up on it, you'll see. But when it says 200, I want you to take control. Got it?
When it says what?
200.
200.
200 feet above the runway, you're gonna take over.
Do I need to do anything with the throttle, or will that still stay the same?
Yeah, I'll help you with that. You can put your hand on it, I'll put my hand on your hand, and I'll show you what we do with the throttle. The most important thing is to follow that runway. It's gonna make the turn shortly by itself, you'll see. See the red and the white lights on the side? So that tells us that we are on the right altitude, approaching that.
It's this one, right?
1,000.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Take control. Disconnect the autopilot
Which one is it?
here. And it's right here now. Good. Not too much. Line up on the runway so you will have it right here. Doing good. Yep. A little windy.
500.
Very good.
Glide slow.
A little low. Be careful.
Glide slow.
And stay on that line here.
Glide slow.
Point the nose down. You're too high now.
Glide slow.
Good.
Glide
You got
slow.
time. Don't worry. Don't sink. Slowly.
200.
It's a long
Glide slow.
runway. That's it. You're right on the runway.
Glide slow.
Are you ready for the flare?
Glide slow.
Do the flare.
50, 40, 30, 20,
Good.
10.
Oh. And not yet. Now, touchdown. There you go. Yoke forward. Another one. Not yet. We're doing use the rudder, not the tiller yet. Reverses down.
Yeah. Oh, wait.
And stop. Take the flaps out. Let's see the way we clear a runway. Not bad. Auto brake 2 off. Off. Turn it left. Engine start switch is off.
I think we might want to.
Lights off. Well, no, we're gonna ignore that. That's okay. I mean, that's not really in real life. There's no way you can land here. And now we're gonna use the tiller and find the exit. And this guy is already going around because of us. See what it's doing? It's climbing up again. Again.
Is that smooth or no?
Wait. I'm gonna shoot another one. Here, watch. A different runway this time. 13 left. There you go. Yeah, stop. That's okay. Yeah, retard because I want to reset it. We're going to a different runway. This time we're gonna start right over Manhattan. So we're gonna be right over the Empire State Building. Now the thing is about this runway, it's shorter than this one. Right? That means we're gonna use more auto brake.
Yeah, I
and
thought
so
we were
on.
landing on the other one over there.
Well, it was, yeah, well, this time was this one. But
Yeah.
you know why? What happened? Let me tell you something. If you don't set the course right, it will never line up on the runway. I had 222, that was the runway heading, and you had 022. And since we're using your autopilot, so it takes the information from your side.
Oh.
And that tells him that the runway is laying with a heading of 22 degree and not 222 degree.
Oh.
That's why it didn't line up. Okay, and that's why we need to make a little correction to that manually.
Yeah.
This time we're gonna be right on the runway. Here, line up. Well, you don't see it yet, but we are right on it.
Yeah. I see.
Okay, it's like here. That's the runway now.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is Manhattan. We're gonna start right over. Well, there will be the Statue of Liberty here. See the World Trade Center.
Empire State.
And the Empire State Building. But we're gonna climb a little bit higher because we're too low. So we're gonna start with the autopilot on. I need a few seconds to like reset everything here. And then we're gonna let you take control. Here we go again. Ready?
Airspeed low.
Hold
Airspeed
up for
low.
a second. Let me climb. A little more. You want to be above that building. And it's leveling off. Here we go again. Turn on the landing lights. Okay, now we're right over Manhattan. Now you can see the Empire State Building. Engine start switch is continuous. Auto brake 3. Arm the speed brake. Flaps 1.
Is that armed?
It is armed. Yep, here. That's what you want to see. Flaps 1. Speed 180. Flaps 2. Good. I have the runway in sight. The one that's straight in front of you. Flaps 5. It is time to start our descent by getting this, see that pink diamond here?
Yeah.
See that it reaches like the center?
Yeah.
At this point, we hit the approach key. Watch what happens. Watch the nose. It's going to come down now, and we are descending towards that runway. Turn on the second autopilot here, and gear down. Pull and down. There you go. Verify 3 greens.
3 greens.
Flaps 10.
2,500.
Your final speed will be with flaps 40. So hit the key next to 40 twice. Auto marker is set. Flaps 15. And final speed 141. Set it, there you go. Flaps 25. Air conditioner, we're gonna ignore that. Notify the crew 2 minutes for landing. Up and down, up and down. Flaps full.
40?
Landing checklist.
Down.
Lights on.
On.
Engine start switches. Continuous cruise. Notified landing speed. 141. You'll miss the approach altitude. If you miss the touchdown, we're gonna climb to 3,000. Speed brake.
On
Auto brake.
3,
Flaps.
40.
And green. Gear.
Down.
And 3 greens, right?
Yeah.
We're just gonna hear one more marked here, and we are good to go. Okay, there's your runway. See it? That's
Yep.
your runway. Checking for traffic. Looks okay.
When do I take it off? 200?
200, yep. And look for traffic all the time. All the time
1,000.
here. Yep, well, looks good here. Well, traffic is from the right, but nothing much to worry about. 700. That's your center line, right? That's what I
Yeah.
want you to follow, right here. Put your right hand on the throttle. When I tell you to disconnect, you're gonna press this button
Okay.
here. As for the thrust, reverse it slowly 2 clicks up.
500.
It's gonna make it swing if you go too fast. Got it?
400.